Do you have a limitation creating your YouTube thumbnail on paid software? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a click-worthy, jaw-dropping, eye-popping thumbnail using our super CapCut. And the best part, it will take you less than 10 minutes to design this. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do here is download your background image. You need to choose a high quality image that represents your video content. So we can download our background image from Pixabay or Pixel because they are copyrighted free. So the first thing we do after downloading your background image, we launch into CapCut button. Launch CapCut on your device and tap on the plus new button. Then select your image from your gallery. This will be the base of your thumbnail. So adjust the background image to require resolution for your YouTube thumbnail. Then the next thing we need to do here is we add on overlay image. So if you want to include a picture of yourself or another key element, we want to tap on the overlay button and add your image. Then adjust your image and tap on the remove BG to remove the background and make your overlay pop. If you have a pro version of removed background on your CapCut, in this video, I taught about how to make realistic background. There, I talked about how to use the Background Pro for free. You can click on it and watch it after this video. So the next thing we need to do is adjust the overlay to your desired position. We want to put a little eyes on the cake here by doing little retouch on your image so to make it pop. You want to go to retouch, you tap on retouch, you want to make a retouch on your face, then we click face. It will highlight the face that you want to make retouch. Then you can increase the smoothness, the skin tone, the whitening. So many options here that you can play with. You can actually increase the smoothness of your face so to make the image pop out. So here I want to increase the smoothness of my face, and that is all what I need here, and you can see how beautiful it is. Next is add caption text. So we tap on the text button and add your title. So I want to add the title of this tutorial, thumbnail. Kindly use bold, readable fonts and contrasting color to make your text stand out. So you don't need to congest your thumbnail. Just go straight to the text and write the text in a concise manner. So I want to add the title of this tutorial, thumbnail. So I want to play with it and adjust the font. I put the background, then add effects to the text to make it pop up. You can actually change the font of your text. Play around with text effects like background text, shadows, changing to bold fonts for extra impact. Then the next thing is click on text button. We want to add the remaining text. Please do not congest your thumbnail with text. So we are adding thumbnail tutorial. You can next, we want to include CapCut logo. Since we are teaching on CapCut software, so you can download free image, shapes or logo or stickers from Pixel or Pixabay because they are copyrighted free. This logo or stickers make your thumbnail more engaging. So we want to adjust the logo We adjust the logo to our best desire. One thing I want to add is YouTube logo. So let's head on to Pixabay. We pick one and download the logo. Then also we adjust it and place it to your desired position. You can see how beautiful it is. Final adjustment. Make sure everything aligned and look cohesive. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 and the resolution. So tweak the brightness, the contrast and saturation to make your thumbnail vibrant. Because a well-balanced thumbnail is key to catching the viewer eye. You can adjust your thumbnail by clicking adjust and come to HSL. Is a combination of hue, saturation and lightness. You can play around with it and make your thumbnail bright or lightning to make it pop up. So play around with this HSL and put a final touch to it. Then after, you screenshot and crop it, and that is it. So beautiful and straightforward. And there you have it, steps to create a catching, click-worthy YouTube thumbnail using CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now go out there and create thumbnail that will make your video shine. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.